How to update your iPhone from old to new. Now, what do I mean by that? I mean how to update your iPhone software from your old to new one. So this is a very simple process and can be a very important factor in your if you are an Apple user. Now, because updating your software can come with several bug fixes and can also include many new features which can come in handy. And if you don't update your software, sometimes your phone can get a bit laggy. Now to update your software, for first you need to do is open up your settings. Now after opening up your settings, you need to scroll down till you find general. Now after you find general, there you can see several options, but the one you need to choose is software update. Now if you want, you can automatically update your phone's software. To do that, you need to turn on this iOS updates automatically download button on. If you do that, your software will automatically get updated. As you can see, first my phone checks if there is any software update available. If not, it says that it's up to date. If you don't have your phone up to date, you will see an iOS version that you need to upgrade to, available in this screen right here. But and you can upgrade it right there. So that is how you update your software. Don't forget to like the video and stay tuned for more.